Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Courier Connect 1.5TDCi 75PS StgVI needs turbo Ulez compliant. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 173,010. MOT, 27 September 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5TDCi 75PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load